the last one, example 7, integral 2x cube minus 3x plus 5 by 2x square dx. This is the question. See, u by v form, but all are same variables. U into v into w form, but all are same variables. Expansion, one equation. Here also we should write into separately. That what I am doing, see, integral 2x cube by 2x square. I am writing this by this, this by this, this by this. Separate ka rasana. Padutadi. Minus 3x by 2x square plus 5 by 2x square into dx. Now, is there any chance to cancel? We can make cancel, that is integral 2 cancel, x square 2 times cancel, one more x is there, and here x one time cancel, one x is there, and x will not get cancelled. Remaining terms here only x, and here minus 3 by 2x, and here plus 5 by 2x square into dx. Now, three functions in addition, apply integration separately. Integral x dx. Next, minus integral 3 by 2 into x dx. Next, plus integral 5 by 2 into x square dx. And I told you, write constant outside. There is no constants. Integral x power 1 dx. X is x power 1 only. Minus 3 by 2 outside, integral x is denominator, na? I should write as denominator 1 by x dx, plus 5 by 2 outside, integral 1 by x square dx. Now we have direct formulas. Just now I gave you integral x power 1 is x power n formula. So we can write that is x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 3 by 2 integral 1 by x log x. We have direct formula. Why? Because differentiation of log x is 1 by x, integral 1 by x is log x, so 3 by 2 log x. This is direct formula. అందుకే నేను మళ్ళీ బ్రాకెట్లో ఫార్ములాస్ రాయట్లే. కానీ కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒక ఫార్ములా బేస్ మీద ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ తప్ప మిగతా అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు వీ షుడ్ రైట్ ఫార్ములా కంపల్సరీ ఇన్ బ్రాకెట్. ఓకే, సో నౌ ప్లస్ 5 by 2 ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by x square, that is also direct formula, minus 1 by x plus c. I am writing formulas. This already I wrote there, and this one I am writing integral 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c, and this one integral, this one I am writing 1 by x square dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus c. Now simplification is the answer. This is x square by 2, and this is minus 3 by 2 log x, and this is plus into minus, minus 5 by 2x plus c is the answer. So this is the basic formula based questions from indefinite integrations, and very few I gave you. We have number of questions. Remember, I will give you every question, and I will give you very few questions as homework. If you will not get answer, just send me message. I will explain those sums also, but follow these numbers which you have in textbook. I am giving those only. ఓకే, ఇవి ఇప్పుడు యూజ్ కాకపోయినా 100% మీకు యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఖచ్చితంగా ఇంటర్మీడియట్ చదివే పిల్లలకి వెరీ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ టుడే. దిస్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.